In this video, I'll show you how to play GTA 5 roleplay. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you ever watched GTA 5 roleplay videos on YouTube or Twitch and wondered how people become police officers, firefighters, mechanics, taxi drivers, criminals, or business owners, you're in the right place. Unlike the standard GTA Online experience, GTA 5 roleplay is entirely community driven. Instead of focusing on missions or grinding for money, players create unique characters and interact with others by acting out realistic scenarios. The most popular way to play GTA 5 roleplay on PC is through FiveM, which gives you access to thousands of community created servers. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install FiveM, join your first roleplay server, create your character, and explain a few basic roleplay rules that every new player should know. Before we get started, you'll need to own a legitimate copy of GTA 5 on Steam, Epic Games, or the Rockstar Games launcher, and make sure the game is already installed on your PC. If you haven't installed GTA 5 yet, do that first, because FiveM requires an existing GTA 5 installation. I also recommend launching GTA 5 at least once before installing FiveM, so the game will be able to complete the initial setup and verify your installation. To start, let's download FiveM. You can open up your web browser and go to the official website, which is fivem.net. Once you're here, you can see that FiveM is available for GTA 5 Legacy and also GTA 5 Enhanced, but currently people mostly use the Legacy one. So to download it for the Legacy one, you can click download FiveM. If you want to install for GTA 5 Enhanced, you can scroll down and you can download the beta early access for GTA 5 Enhanced. For this video, we're going to install for the Legacy because currently it's the popular one. So scroll up and click download. Save the setup somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. After the download is done, you can go to your downloads folder. Just double click the FiveM.exe setup. It'll start downloading necessary files, and usually FiveM will detect your GTA 5 legacy installation. But if for some reason you see this error, you'll need to locate your GTA 5 install location manually. Just hit OK and then just locate it yourself. If you don't know where, you can go to this path on the screen, which is the default location of GTA 5. So if you installed it on the default location, you'll find it there. Now, if you still cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. On Epic Games, you want to go to Library and then look for your GTA 5. Click the three dots on the right, go to Manage, and then click the folder icon. That's where your GTA 5 install location is. On Steam, you can do the same. Go to Library, look for your GTA 5, right-click, Manage, and click Browse Local Files. If your GTA 5 is on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to Settings, and if you have your GTA 5 here, you'll be under My Installed Games. So just select that and then scroll down and you'll have option to view installation folder. Alright, now you have it. Just highlight your GTA 5.exe and hit open. It will continue the installation. If the game data is outdated, FiveM will ask you to download some files again. Just hit yes and it will continue downloading and installing. FiveM will also try to connect to your Rockstar Games services, so you might need to log in if prompted. Just go ahead and do that. And after everything is done, FiveM will launch, and the first thing you'll see is this terms of service. Just read through it, and if you have no problem with it, just hit I accept. And there we go, we are inside FiveM. Now you can link your account by signing in with CFX. If you don't have it, you can register for free. And also, if you don't want to do it now, you can just skip it and link your account later on. Alright, so how do you play roleplay server on FiveM? To start, you can click browse servers at the top, and here you already see so many servers that you can join and play. You can look through them and find the roleplay server you want to play. You can also use the filter at the top right. Just click it, and under text you want to select roleplay. It'll only show you roleplay servers. You can also select the language of the server. Let's select American English. You can also use the search bar at the top. Just type in roleplay just like that. And now just go ahead and look for the roleplay server you want to join and play. So on the right, you can see the player numbers, player count. You can click on the server name to go to which page. And here for most roleplay server, you'll need to join the Discord community for you to access all of the game features or even to join. So just go ahead and join their Discord server if you need to. And after you do that, you can click connect. The first time you do it, FiveM will need to restart because of the game version is different. After the restart, depending on the server that you want to play on, you might need to download some mods and files. It'll take a moment, so just leave it be for 5 or 10 minutes. And after it's done, FiveM will restart and just go to browse server again. Actually, you can make the server your favorite, and now if you go back, you can go to favorites and join it from here for easy access. Alright, now I'm connected. The first time you load into the server, it'll prepare the game, so it'll take longer. Once again, just wait for it to finish, and once it's finished, you are in a roleplay server. So the first thing you need to do is to create a new character. Just give it a name and then gender and also date of birth. Once you do that, you can customize your character, select your hair, your clothes and accessories. After you're done, you can follow the tutorial if the server has one. Now you can start your roleplay adventure. Depending on the server, you'll be able to apply for jobs. And if you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.